All right, everyone. Hello, namaskar. It's the first episode of Sundana with Manvi Khilnani, and I welcome each one of you. I'll just wait for people to get the notification that I'm live, and so that more people can join us. It's 6 by the clock, and I am sure you've had a great day. It's the mid of the week, and we're all struggling with the lockdown. We're trying to be creative, we are trying to be productive. Once again, good evening, namaskar. First episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani. Well, through this, okay, yes, I am also going to read on the comments side by side. And I'm going to try that every episode we get new talents, we get new artists, and so that wherever you are across the world, wherever you are seeing this show, you're seeing the episode, it just gets a smile on your face because in such gloomy days, we want to rise, we want to shine. So Rajiv says, "Kya hal ji?" Rajiv ji, I'm very good. I am sure you're also very good. You're safe and sound. So yes, more people who are here. I can see a lot of people already watching the video. Just make sure that you keep writing down the comments and keep telling me how's the episode. Of course, I'll be more than happy if you give me, suggestions, feedback, because I'm just very new to all of this. I've of course been talking to the audiences, with actions and reactions. So, but then yes, definitely I keep my fingers crossed that you like the videos and you like the episodes and you like the talent that I get for you every day or maybe every alternative day. So today I thought of bringing a soulful voice in front of all of you. So, ladies and gentlemen, I met him when I was actually starting my career. And since then, I've always been a little fangirl. So, today I thought, why not I start my episode with him? He's very talented and he's performed in a lot of shows across the country, across the globe, across India. He has made sure that wherever he goes, he makes a space for himself in the heart of the audiences with his music, of course. So, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you in front of me very talented singer. And yes, when I get him on screen, there are a lot of things that I'd also like to talk about him. So let's welcome Vivan. Thank you, Vivan.
Hi everyone. Hi Manvi. Thank you
Hi,
for having
thank
me
you.
here.
Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for agreeing to be live with me here on screen. So let's see more people. Let more people join us, and let the notification is going to reach everyone. So Vivan, there's one thing that we know about you. As a matter of fact, a lot of people, when they're doing something, when they're doing a corporate 9 to 5 job, so to follow the passion, it becomes extremely difficult. Okay, Shobit is here. He says, "Hey, Vivan." Okay, yes, coming back to you, it becomes very difficult for somebody, to choose between a passion and a profession. As a matter of fact, you were working in Hyderabad for 1 year, 365 days. You were working in Hyderabad. So, how did you plan to switch?
Yes, I was working in Hyderabad and everything seemed to be just going in the perfect direction, in the right direction, where I had a very good future in right in front of me. But वही बात है ना, there's एक वो कीड़े वाली जो बात होती है, वो कीड़ा म्यूजिक का जब तक आपके अंदर है, आपको उसको फॉलो करना ही पड़ेगा. तो कुछ टाइम तक मैंने इग्नोर किया एंड उसके बाद फाइनली आई टुक द डिसीजन और मुझे लगा कि यार यही टाइम है कि अगर मैंने एक बार रिस्क ले लिया तो ले लिया, वरना मैं लाइफ भर यही सोच के कंप्यूटर के सामने ही बैठा रह जाऊंगा. So that's how it all started.
But hats off to you, and I think ever since you've started your career in singing, there's no looking back. You've just been soaring heights and achieving new heights. So kudos to you. Big shout out. Keep up the good work. Keep giving love to everyone through your music. So let's quickly begin with the musical jamming with you, Vivan. So one song to begin with, one song that is completely, it is very close to your heart. Yes, okay. So Shan says, "Hi, Vivan." Shobit, hi, Vivan, and hi,
Hi,
Manvi. Hi to both of you. Cool,
hi,
let's
hi.
begin with you.
So, yeah, okay. Start with one of my favorite track. This song is by Atif Aslam, and I'm pretty sure we have a lot of Atif Aslam fans
Of course,
here,
yes.
just like me. So for all the Atif Aslam fans, I think you can guess the song now. दहलीज मेरे दिल की जो रखे हैं तूने कदम तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना ना सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम जब शोज के दौरान मोस्टली मैं कई बार देखता हूँ कि नहीं आ रही तो मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कि पहला सॉन्ग प्ले करूँ और जब जैसे ही मैं ये प्ले करता हूँ लोगों को एकदम से अटेंशन आ जाता है
Grab
सो
हो
यू
जाता
कैन
है,
गेस
right?
हाउ पॉपुलर दिस सॉन्ग इज
This song is definitely.
सच्ची सी ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है जो तो मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम ओ आसमां मिला जमी को मेरी आधे आधे पूरे हैं हम तेरे नाम मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम
Super, thank you so much. I think it was a great beginning to such a show. Thank you so much. I think Vivan, आज के
Thanks.
times में Gina has actually, quite literally it's become such a glooming time, and it's becoming very difficult for people to cope up with such, challenging times. But thank you so much for spreading such positive vibes all around. I think Vivan, you just need to check your internet connection because it's
Your
going up
voice
and down.
आप नहीं आ रही है. I'm not able to understand.
Yes, can you hear me now, Vivan?
Yes, go on now.
Perfect, perfect. So, guys, I'm sure a lot of you are watching us. So, please, Vivan will be more than happy to take your song request. So, if in case any song is close to your heart and you'd like to listen to it right now, please make sure that you type down your comments and he'll be extremely happy to play that song for you.
Request there is any request that I know, I would love to play it for you guys. I'm just waiting for more आपकी भी request है मैं जरूर play करूँगा. Only if I know the songs. I'm just waiting for more request.
Yes. Okay. Anyone, everyone, there are like quite a few people watching this stream. So, guys, in case any song is close to your heart and you'd love to listen to this song, so make sure that you just type down your comments here on the right hand side. This is Gina Gina. Somebody says it's my favorite song. Somebody, Sumit says Vivan Sir. He says Gina Gina is my favorite song. Okay, Shashank Saini is also here with us. Okay, Sumit is also here with us, and he says Ye dosti hum nahi. Okay, so I am sure this time everyone they're missing out catching up with their friends, and they're missing the times that they used to spend with friends. So how about let's take Sumit's request and let's have Ye dosti hum nahi todenge. Van, are you there with us?
Manvi, I think there is a serious network issue. I can't understand what you're saying.
Okay, but I can hear you. It's on the screen. Vivan, if you can play Ye dosti hum nahi.
Is my voice clear to you?
Yes, I
Interrupt तो
think
नहीं हो रही?
हो रही है, but I think if you are on Wi-Fi, you can maybe switch it on to the normal internet connection. I think that should work right now because I think there's some issue with
It's
your.
coming through a head. Yeah. Okay, give me.
Sure. So yes, in the meanwhile, Vivan just checks up his internet connection and get back to you. Shashank says definitely Shashank. The moment he's back on screen, I'm going to make sure that he plays a song for you, Ilahi and Ye Dosti Hum Nahi Todenge. Oh Hamdam Sunyo Re, Bhairab Bhairab says Bekhayali. We're going to make sure that we take all your requests. And in the meanwhile, quickly tell me how all of you are doing. How are you spending these quarantines and quarantine, of course? So, Arzia from Rockstar been waiting to hear this. Let me see if the internet connection, if it works now. Hi, Vivan, can you hear us now? Hai apna dil to aawara. So, Pia has a request. Then she says she wants to hear Hai apna dil to aawara. Okay, Sumit Joshi is also here. You people are making it superb. Okay, so Sumit says, "Great, thank you so much, Sumit." I think being an artist, of course, it's an overwhelming job. You get so many, you get so many compliments from the audiences post the show, but it also comes with a responsibility that even in such times we get a smile on your faces. So thank you so much. Okay, thanks, Vivan. I think this is perfect. Can you hear us, Vivan?
Yes, I can hear you, but not very properly.
That's all right.
I
What I'll
can
do is
just
I'll
guess what you're
just
saying.
That's all right. What we'll do is we'll just ticker the songs that people want you to sing on screen. So let's begin
It's
with
coming
this one.
through smooth. Okay, I'll sing a song. There's a request for Ye Dosti Hum Nahi Todenge, right?
Yes.
Is my audio okay?
Yes, it's
My
perfect.
audio and video. Okay, perfect. ठीक है.
Yes.
So this song goes out to all the friends, especially for Sumit. मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर तू न जाए तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिन कभी तेरी यारी हो मैंने तो खुदा माना याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना तेरे यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा अफसाना. Another beautiful song for all the friends. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा छोड़े तेरा साथ ना छोड़े.
Thank you, Vivan. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have another request coming all the way from Mumbai. So she's a friend who stays in Mumbai. I hope, Ashima, you are safe, you are sound, and you are taking care of your health and wealth at the same time. So she wants to hear Dil Hi To Hai from Sky is Pink. If you can play this song for us, Vivan.
Oh, दिल I don't know the lyrics of that song. मुझे नहीं आता.
Okay, that's all right. Let's see if we have Dear
I know it,
Zindagi.
but मेरे को I'll try to find that song also. Keep the
Okay, cool. Let's go with that.
Dear Zindagi song.
Any song from Dear Zindagi, because all of us we're trying to fall in love with the Zindagi, with this beautiful life. think Vivan, we will lost you again.
A lot of network issue. Yes.
Make sure that you're in a position wherein there's good internet connection. We can hear the bird behind though. Okay, so
ओके,
Ashima,
रिंकू ने एक
yes.
रिक्वेस्ट किया है मुझे, यू कैन मेरे मोहल्ले में चांद जो आया है, ईद जलाया है, तू ही तो नहीं। अम्मी ने मेरी जो सूट सिलाया है, ख्वाब दिखाया है, तू ही तो नहीं। हाँ, जिसके लिए दिल संभलने लगा है, वो कौन है? तू ही है। हाँ, जिसके लिए दिल मचल लगा है, वो कौन है? तू ही है। दूर ये कौन है, पास ये कौन है, तू ही है।
Thank you, Vivan. Thank you so much. Okay, she says if you can play Chala Jata Hu, please. Vivan, can you sing this for somebody from Gurgaon? Pia, she says, a dear friend from Gurgaon, she says if you can play Chala Jata Hu. If you know the lyrics, of course.
Okay, I'll try. I've never tried this song, but I have a few lines from the song.
Please go ahead. I think we're going to love this.
चला जाता हूँ
Woohoo!
किसी की धुन पे, धड़कते दिल के, चला जाता हूँ किसी की पे, धड़क धड़क के तराने लिए, की मस्ती आंखों में, हजारों सपने सुहाने लिए, ओ चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन पे, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए।
Thank you, Vivan. So we've got another request from Nupur Banerjee. She says, "Whoa, whoa, whoa! Ek song, please, meri pasand ka Masakali, Masakali." Okay, that from Delhi 6 and Behka Ya Behka Hua. I think both are one
वो
of the favorite
मेरी
songs.
नूपुर, मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि दिस सॉन्ग बहका हुआ इज माय ओन कॉम्प, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर आस्किंग मी प्ले सॉन्ग नूपुर। सो here it is, I'll play Behka Hua. So this Behka Hua song, it's my own composition. I wrote the song around like 4 years back, and it's still the song by Behka Hua by Vivan. So I'll sing a few lines from that song. पहले कभी तो ऐसा ना हुआ, मिलके तुझे मैंने जाना है, देखूं जब भी मैं तेरी आंखों को, सोचूं इन बाहों को पाना है, दिल बहका हुआ, दिल बहका हुआ, तेरी यादों में पागल है, बहका हुआ, दिल बहका हुआ, दिल में पागल है। And I really like paragraph. घर से चलूं मिलने तुझे तो खो जाऊं, अपने ही घर का रास्ता पूछूं सबसे, मिल जाए आईना कहीं तो थम जाऊं, सजने लगूं कि देखोगे तुम मुझे, तेरी बात सच्ची लगे, ये मोला
One, you yes.
यादों में गल
I think that was amazing, Vivan. Are you still here with us? I think we've lost you. Okay, there's another request which is on the screen, Vivan. She
Thank
says, Pehla
you.
Pehla Pyar from Kabir Singh. This is my favorite song. I think all songs of Kabir Singh, they are love. So if you can sing this one for us, Vivan.
Song from बजाऊंगा. I'll play song for you. So, dear Harshil, I'll play जाऊंगा for you.
Okay, Dashul, this one's for you.
मेरी राहें तेरे तक है, तुझ पे ही तो मेरा हक है. तुझे ही तो मेरा हक है. Sing along. साथ छोड़ूंगा ना तेरे से आऊंगा, चीन खुदा से मांग लाऊंगा, तेरे नाल तकदीरा लिखवाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा, मैं तेरा बन जाऊंगा. I'm mixing another song with this. This song
Please
is
go
again for
on,
all the
please go
Atif
on.
Aslam fans. कच्ची डोरियों डोरियों से मैनू तो बांध ले, पक्की यारियों 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 में होंदे ना फासले, ये नाराजगी कागजी सारी तेरी, मेरे सोहणिया सुन ले मेरी दिल दी गल्लां, करांगे नाल नाल बैके अख नाल अख नूं मिला के दिल दियां गल्लां, करांगे रोज रोज बैके सच्चियां मोहब्बतां निभा के. All the Atif Aslam fans, it's time for all the Arijit Singh fans. मैं
Woo!
तेनू समझावां की ते बाजो लगदा की जाने प्यार मेरा, मैं करा इंतजार तेरा, तू दिल तू यूं
I think, Vivan, we lost you here.
मैं
Yes.
तेनू
Okay, Vivan, there's another request which is coming. You just displayed it on screen also. She wants to, आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं. Okay, come, please play for Ansh. We're definitely going to take your request also. Vivan, can you hear me?
Yes, I know.
Okay, Vivan, if you can sing "आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं," I just displayed that on screen. Can we get that from you?
Yes, I can hear you from not from my phone, पर मुझे बाहर से somebody using another phone पे लाइव वीडियो चल रही है, तो मुझे वहां से सुनाई दे रहा है.
That's all right. So if we can hear this from you. That's all right. So if we can hear this from you.
Which one?
I've displayed it on the screen, Vivan. आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं.
Which song? Get the song. Which song
That's
are you
all
talking
right.
about?
So if we can hear this from you.
Which one?
I've displayed it on the screen. All right. So I see a lot of you here online. Guys, quickly tell me, how have you been all this while? I know it's a very tough time for all of us, but we're all keeping our fingers crossed that this too shall pass and we're going to come out better, stronger. All right, let's take one once again back here. Been all this while, tough, but fingers crossed that this too shall pass and we're going to come out stronger. All right, let's been all this while tough, but fingers crossed that this too shall pass. Vivan,
I'll sing this song. आ चल के तुझे लेके चलूं. Just a
please.
few lines. मुझे पूरा आता नहीं है, but Vijay Khilani is she your relative, your mother?
She's my mom and she really wanted to hear this. I would have been gone.
तुझे मैं लेके के तले जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी ना हो आंसू भी ना हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले एक ऐसे गगन के तले.
Thank you, Vivan. Thank you so much. Vivan, by any chance, do you have headphones around you?
Was that good enough?
It was very good. You're always so good
I
and
do
so
have
bright.
headphones.
Can you just put them? Can you just plug them in? It'll be helpful for both of us.
Just give me a second. Give me a second.
Yeah, sure. All right, Hashil says, guys, do it, please. I am very bad with singing, and absolutely don't want my audiences to rush away. As it is, it's such a tough time. I don't want to make it tougher for them. Okay, thank you so much. He says, thanks a lot. Happy now. I'm sure you are happy. Kamal Shah, Sarma, I'm sure wherever you are happy. And his songs are definitely getting a big smile on your face. Please play. Okay, so Ansh here says, please play first class. Definitely let Vivan come back. And I will definitely request him to play this one for you. Guys, those of you who are watching us, I hope you are liking the first episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani. We have another very special guest lined up for this week. So, Vivan, you are back with us.
I hope I'll be more clear now.
It is fantastic, Vivan. I wish I would have told you this before, but nevertheless, okay. Abhinav wants to hear Hero.
Acha. Okay, no problem. Which song?
Hero. I'll display that on screen for you.
Which song,
Hero.
Manvi? I did not understand which song.
I am displaying it on screen, Vivan. It's Hero.
I can't see it anyway.
right, that's all right, Vivan. Because we'll just sum it up in the next few seconds. So, one last song coming from you. Any song that just spreads happiness all over.
I did not ask.
All right, I think we've lost Vivan for now. And Hai Preet Jashan ki Reet Sada Gana. Let me just try if we can. I think it's becoming a little difficult and tricky for us to reach him right now. But I hope you enjoyed the first episode of Sundowner with Manvi Khilnani. Stay tuned and watch this space out for more. As every day, we're going to make sure I'm going to make sure that we get new talents in front of each one of you, and we spread positive vibes around because together we can and together we will. Thank you so much. I wish you a great evening ahead. We love you and always spread positive vibes around you. uh, God bless you and your families. Thank you, and stay safe, stay home.